I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida car accident attorney, and today we're going to talk about 3 things to avoid after you've been in a car accident. Now, the first thing to avoid is avoid giving a statement to the insurance company. The insurance company wants to minimize the amount of money they have to pay after a car accident. That means they want to reduce their exposure, and there's a couple ways they do that. One of them is by showing that you were at fault for the accident. If you caused the accident, then you don't get any recovery, you don't get paid anything because you're at fault. And that's one of the things they want to do. So they're going to ask you questions, and they're going to ask you a variety of questions. They're going to try to pick apart those questions and your statements to prove that you caused the accident or that you're partially responsible. The other thing that the insurance company wants to do is they want to minimize the extent of your injury. So they're going to ask you questions, and you might say something off the cuff that they might blow up in big letters or use against you to show that you're not injured or to prove that your injuries are really minimal. The next thing you want to avoid after you've been in a car accident are posts on social media. If you're claiming you've been injured in a car accident, well, we don't want posts on social media showing you skydiving or snorkeling or golfing or running a marathon. And we don't want these types of posts twisted either. You might have been golfing 2 weeks ago, but posted it, the day after your car accident, and they could be twisted and used against you, and we don't want to see that. So be careful about what you post on social media after you've been in a car accident. And the third thing that you want to absolutely avoid is signing anything. You don't want to sign any statement. Just like you don't want to give a recorded statement, you don't want to sign any statement, and you don't want to sign any settlement. One of the ways that an insurance company can quickly resolve a case with little exposure is to give you a very, small check and have you sign away your rights. And you might not even realize that you're settling the entire claim and you'll never get another dollar no matter how severe your injuries are. So don't sign anything after you've been in a car accident. I'm telling you this because I deal with these issues all the time, and I'd be glad to talk with you about this or any other legal issue you're dealing with. Give me a call, pick up the phone. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.